Ooh. Hello, kids. It's me, Timmy the Clipboard Kid, and today we got another problem. There is this YouTuber called Jayden Sluts Railfanning Productions, and he is on the loose. He's trying to stop from Timmy the Clipboard Kid. So what he did long ago, he made this one YouTube video about sucking Powerpuff Girls and many more. He must be stopped. Railfanning, Jaded Sluts Railfanning made this inappropriate name. So YouTube shut him down because we do not need this inappropriate content on YouTube. Anywho, I advise you to unsubscribe and stop his terrible content. And also, Timmy must say that trains must be banned from all society. And also, we must stop Jaded Sluts Rail Fanning Productions. And also, he's a racist because his Pharaoh makes us racist. Anyway, Tommy the Clip Kid says goodbye. Play with your toys and save the kids.